Hi everyone, Miss Kelly here, and it's that time of year again to get ready for the Santa Claus Parade. So let's talk about what we're going to wear for the Santa Claus Parade. This year we're going to wear our red center stage shirt like we've done for the last couple of years. So each dancer will just be borrowing the shirt. They've got a number inside, so you'll be assigned a number and then you can return it to the office once you have finished the parade. We're also going to be wearing our center stage elf hats like we've always done in the past. If you have one still, you're welcome to wear that. If you don't have one, then we have lots to purchase in the office for $10, lots in stock. And this year, we're going to be adding a cute little white tutu to the outfit, and the dancers are going to be dancing with a candy cane. So these will also be on loan. We've got enough for everybody. Let's talk about what you're gonna wear underneath. So we need you to wear something black underneath, like a turtleneck or a long sleeve sweater. A couple of layers would be great. And you're also going to wear black legs and running shoes on the bottom. Not boots, but running shoes. We just find that boots get too heavy and the kids' feet get very, very tired after dancing for an hour and walking all that way in the parade. So running shoes are the best way to go. Also, to keep your hands warm, we'd like the dancers to have white mittens or white gloves. Since they're going to be using our white candy canes, we want their white hands to blend in with the whole overall look. All right, so recap: hat, red shirt, white tutu, black on the bottom underneath, long sleeve, black legs, white gloves, and running shoes. Got it? Let's get dancing. So this year we're dancing with candy canes, as I mentioned earlier. So you want to make sure that we start our dance with your candy cane down and to the right. I'm facing you, so this is actually down and to my left because I'm a mirror image of you. So you want your candy cane down and to the right. And the first thing we're gonna get started off with is 4 hitchy-coo ball changes. So we're gonna go to the right first, and our arms are gonna lift up in the air on the hitchy-coo and down on the ball change. So hitchy-coo, ball change. Let's try that with your feet. Let's try that. Here we go. Hitchy-coo, ball change, hitchy-coo, ball change, hitchy-coo, ball change, hitchy-coo, ball change. I'm then gonna slide my hand down here, and we're gonna do 4 grapevines. Other hand goes behind my back. 1, 2, 3 together, 1, 2, 3 together, 1, 2, 3 together, 1, 2, 3 together. My candy cane is going back to the right, and I'm going to do shoulder pops. And I go apart, together, apart, together, bouncing the shoulders up and down, and 2 pivot turns. Right foot and turn, right foot and turn. And it brings us right back around. From there, we're going to do 4 chasses, and our arms are going to lift, our elbows are going to lift, and I'm kind of doing a slight shoulder roll to get the movement that I'm looking for as we chasse. Right, left, and 2 more pivot turns. Pivot and turn, and pivot and turn. And from there, we're ready to start again at the beginning with our hitchy-coo ball change. Now, it's important to note that in the middle of our song, there's an instrumental section, and it's got an extra 2 counts of 8 at the very, very end of it. So what will happen, we'll do our hitchy-coos, we'll do our grapevine, we'll do our shoulder pops, we'll do our pivot turn, we'll do our chasses and our pivot turn, and then we're going to repeat the chasses and the pivot turn 1 more time. And then we complete it at the very end with the words just like normal, like we did at the beginning. Let's try the whole entire dance. That was a lot of fun. Well guys, I hope that helped. Happy practicing, and we'll see you November 17th for the Santa Claus Parade. Now don't forget to bring in your permission form, and remember that everybody, the entire studio, is invited back here at Main Street for our annual Christmas party from 6:30 until 8:30 after the parade. Come on back to the studio, warm up, have some food. We've got our potluck sign up on the board at Main Street, and we'd love to have you all join us. All right, thanks so much. See you there. Merry Christmas.